New. Use Everbee for email marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Everbee for email marketing.
So to get started, Everbee recently introduced a beta feature that allows you to collect emails from interested buyers. While Etsy doesn't share buyer emails directly, you can use Everbee's lead magnet tools to offer freebies like coupon codes or product tips in exchange for an email signup. First, go to your Everbee dashboard. From here, under the Marketing Tools tab, click on Lead Generator. However, Everbee already has a separate function for email marketing. So all you have to do is go to email.everbee.io. But if you're accessing Everbee from the Everbee website itself, go to the Marketing Tools tab first and then click on Lead Generator. From there, you can create a simple opt-in landing page. Link this page to your Etsy listing description or about section. Everbee will collect the emails for you and let you send them promotions and updates. However, as I was talking about, Everbee already has a separate function for this. So in the Everbee email, all you have to do is to click on this new campaign and then click on auto campaign or single campaign, whatever you want. Auto campaign is for all the campaigns that you have. So let's click on that. And then you may have, or you may start from scratch, or you may also do a template. Let's try this. And then, however, you need to be aware that this is only available for paid plans. Make sure to follow Etsy's terms of service and avoid spamming. Use emails wisely, share new arrivals, restocks, and exclusive offers. This new feature bridges the gap between Etsy and your own brand's community, allowing you to market like a pro even without a full website. And that's how you can start Everbee for email marketing and build customer loyalty from your Etsy shop.